Everyone talks about making money online, but nobody gives you the ultimate playbook of making money. So today I'm gonna tell you exact secret how to make money with AI in 2026. So I'll be telling about the 4 ideas and what are the tools you can execute those ideas, and how could you able to promote those ideas and make the real money. So let's get it started. So before diving, I would like to tell about myself. I'm Gazi. I am 24 years old. I'm the founder of earnablekorea.com, and I'm a student as well in South Korea. So let's begin. The first idea is AI influencer. Basically, it's very basic idea that there is tons of businesses on that, because making ads or hiring a influencer costs a lot of money. All you have to do is make a AI influencer that will promote the products like beauty products, fitness, and so on. Basically, it's a lifestyle kind of things. So how to execute these ideas? The first one is you need a characters, right? Midjourney will give you a characters. A person's never exist on the planet. It totally artificials, never exist. So all you have to do, go to Midjourney and get a character from it. And then interesting part is you need to talk the character, right? So talking about the project, talking about the beauty products, talking about the fitness. So this thing will do HeyGen. HeyGen is a really great product, but a little bit of costly, but I would say it's worth using it. And you need a voice, right? So how do you get a professional voice like a human do? Is ElevenLabs. So there is a whole idea I talked about, and right now, how do you implement on your real work or promote you? So all you have to do is posting on and on. TikTok is the best platform of using these tools, and second best I could say Instagram is worth building because the valuations is more than TikTok. So there is a whole bunch of things about the AI influencer that really works, and you can get tons of examples on Instagram, on TikTok. They are making real money. And second idea, which is my favorite ideas of all time, and I also tried a lot of and I have a weekends of making a startup by using Replit. Replit is one of the most leading vibe coding tools out there. All you have to do, go to Replit and describe your idea and tell to agents. Agent will do the rest. So they're really super amazing tools, and there are also other tools like Cloud or Lovable or many of tools, but I love using Replit. Replit is one of my favorite and leading vibe coding tools out there. How to promote your idea? Just I think is for applications and B2B business, or it might be a SaaS. The great platform is X. So keep posting about it, what you build. For example, you build a B2B SaaS, just talking about all the time, posting 3 times a day, because text doing really well on X, and you also promote your applications built in public, and there are tons of other similar peoples. They are also developing the ideas on built in public or India hackers. Just create an account there and tell what you are building. Another platform is Product Hunts. Product Hunts is what are the future tools are coming. You can list it on that and get some of the users from there. And let's talk about number 3 ideas. Number 3 idea is selling digital products. So it might be a PDF, it might be ebooks. Right now it's really easy to make a PDF. It's really easy to make templates for Notions. It's really easy to make ebooks, right? But we just gonna do a little bit of interesting, and what truly works is we will do a little bit of research. What are people already selling? What are people are already looking for? For example, we'll go to Facebook ad library and try to figure out what are the digital products people are already selling, or people are already buying, or people are already looking for. We'll build a better versions by using code and try to ship them. Go to library, look for the analytics. Oh, people are running their ads more than 3 days, and try to do a better version of that, like PDFs or ebooks, by using code. And you can also make a really good PDFs or visualizations by using AI. So there is a full of tactics. You could also make hundreds of thousands of dollars by doing the same things. And last one is Faceless YouTube channel. Faceless YouTube channel is also running and on demand since YouTube has started. Right, it's become more easier than before because of AI. So first of all, you need a type of ongoing, you need a type of that gets view over time kind of niche. So how to select the niche? As far as I'm concerned, that there's a storytelling type of things does really well. For example, it can be a crime story, it can be a love story, it can be a history. So these are the things people wanted to hear. These are the YouTube channels get views over time. If you can just search on that on YouTube and try to make a better version of that. Idea is simple. And how to make this content, right? So first thing, I already said how to make AI influencer. This is the same process. Get the whole story from the code or ChatGPT, and then Midjourney, Code, and Gemini, and whatever you could say. You just get the photos from that and go to Sora or go to Grok, and other platforms are available to generating videos, like Gemini are available there to make a video short clips, and you just make longer, little bit of edit. That's it. And right now you need a voice, right? So voice is ElevenLabs easy solutions I already talked about. So this is the process, and what are the tools can be used for that? Vivid, or there are tons of tools out there. You just go to Google and type in that what is the YouTube analyzer tools available out there, and you can get, and you also search then what are people looking for, and make a better version of that and post it on 3 times a week, and it's over time will rank, and it's over time will get traffic. This is what are easy making money in 2026. So if you love these ideas, tell me, leave a comment. I will make a tutorial on all these ideas, try to make a real money. I'll show you whole process, how do I do that, and if I miss something I will show as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. Probably we're gonna see you in the next. Thank you.